Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the M.2 SSD in your HP 15DAG031NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD slot, which is typically situated near the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your device. Now, to remove the existing M.2 SSD, locate the screw that secures it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew it and gently pull the SSD out of the slot. If you find this process daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Next, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle, then press it down gently until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screw you previously removed. This step is crucial, as a loose SSD can lead to performance issues. After securing the new SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Once the back panel is back in place, power on your laptop. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech problems. After confirming that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore your data from a backup. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once completed, your HP 15DA031NS will be running faster and more efficiently than ever. Finally, if you prefer to leave this task to the professionals, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Thank you for following this guide, and enjoy your upgraded laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.